Hey, good morning everyone. Yeah, not really doing much today. I took a shower. Felt super good. Adeline's screaming her little lungs out. Your little lungs out, are you? Yeah. Let's just get it. I'm going to take the car from Zachary at lunch because I need to go. Yeah? You want to tell? You tell them. How about that? How about that? No, but really, I need to go get some groceries. I need a lot of stuff, and I want to get that applesauce. So that's what we're gonna do today. What are you reaching for? What are you reaching for? Oh no, you fell. What are you gonna do about that, huh? Yeah. Stop kicking. Stop kicking me. Stop kicking me. I'm gonna tickle you. But right now I'm just gonna do my makeup quick. And it snowed so much last night, you guys. Like, the cars, like, look at this van. It's like snowed in almost. The tires like halfway under. Yeah, I'm actually kind of scared to drive in that. I don't know if I want to go out it anymore. Forgot about the snow. That sucks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out. So Miss Adeline just woke up. She's in such a happy mood, aren't you? You're in such a happy mood. And we're getting ready to go. I tried on my jeans from like before I was pregnant. Haven't fit in these for like a year. And I can finally fit into them, so that's super exciting. So yeah, I'm not at like my pre-pregnancy weight like at all, but I'm almost there, so we're working on it. Hey Adamini, we're getting there. We're close. Yeah.
Wait, this was what, similar to one of her pictures that we had?
I'm watching Say Yes to the Dress, and this show literally gets me so excited to like get married and like, oh, these dresses are like $50,000. It's like, holy, like who buys those? Like, I don't even know. Yeah. Oh, I love that one. What? Let's see it. Oh, there it is.
Makes me feel like I'm floating on a cloud.
That's so pretty. Eh? That one's really pretty. Wow. Who are you playing? Look at this. The snow's like up to the top of the thing. Ah! So we're just about to go. We're in the car. Zachary's taking some of the snow off.
It's so snowy out.
Everybody's like telling me I shouldn't be driving.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sit at home all day again, so.
I recommended it too, not gonna lie, because I don't even want to drive in this weather, but it's a good experience. It is. You know, if you can drive in this, you can pretty much drive in anything, I think. Like, some of the vehicles. Oh, we're on Zoom, I think. Yeah, it doesn't really look like that much, but yet.
Look at that one. You can see that car. You can see like an inch of that.
Yeah. And it's the crazy part is that it is still snowing, so we could have double this by the end of the day. Should be kind of neat to see.
This is more like the winters we know, like.
Yeah, that's true.
Grass in January was not normal, so this is more. So I just dropped Zach off at work, and oh my god, you guys, the roads are terrible. There's like people stuck on the sides of the roads, and like I can't even see in front of me. I have to go so slow, and I'm so scared I'm gonna get. parked at this random house because I can't see and it's so scary. Like, I shouldn't have driven. I'm so dumb. I have to get out and like wipe down the windshield or do something. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just got to my mom's and let me tell you, oh my goodness. So after I stopped at that one house, I get back in the car and I get going and then I get stuck. So I was stuck and I was freaking out and I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I called Zachary and he like told me this thing to do with the gear shift where you like go from drive and then reverse and drive and then reverse and you kind of like rock your way out. So that's what I did. But yeah, now my mom's and I'm not going shopping. That's not happening. I'm not leaving here until I have to, so. Look at this. Look how much snow there is. That's the fence. It's like halfway up the fence. Like if I stepped in it right now, I'm gonna get stuck. But like, can't even describe it on camera. It's like up to my neck. No, it's not actually. It's like up to my hip. Who's that? Grandma's all the Madeline. Get you! I'm gonna go in. Brrr. It's cold. Brrr. It's cold out there. The pillows are just there, like just in case she falls back. Like she can sit up without them, but she falls back every once in a while, so. You just playing. Yeah, just playing. You're so cute. Look at all the toys. Look at all the toys you got. Dipping. Look how much snow he's snow plowing, Adeline. That's like higher than his boots. That's a lot of snow. It's shooting way up in the air. That's smart. It goes right over the road too. He's like, what are you doing taking a picture of me? So I just left my mom's. I'm on my way to get Zachary. The roads are finally all plowed and it stopped snowing. So yeah, the roads are still really slippery. I'm being extra careful, but yeah. We're back out the door again. Sorry about this terrible lighting, but we're headed. What should I put on for them? I'm putting on a show for the dogs.
Anything. Do they? I don't think they.
What do you think they like to watch?
They don't like news.
They don't?
No. Put on Mike and Molly.
I'm putting
Now you don't have to worry about
Mike and Molly it is.
Laughing. I think the laughing is happy.
Yeah. I love you, Kiki. Come say bye. Come say bye.
Oh my gosh.
Adeline's all bundled up in her Oh. Bye, Spike.
Dogs are gonna try and run away when we open the door.
Bye.
Me and our hunter are just gonna go out there. So if you let the dog out, then you can catch him. Okay?
Wow, nice, thanks.
It's okay.
Made it to Walmart. Ready to go? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
DQ banana milkshake.
Mmm, tasty. So tasty.
So healthy too.
There is a toothbrush.
300 Canadian. Well, look at this. Look at this. It's got feather mode, diamond mode, wind mode. Oh, it's got like and tongue mode.
Tongue mode too.
And it's got Bluetooth. We got a Bluetooth toothbrush, but it doesn't do all that nonsense.
No. But it sounds rough.
It does, eh?
So we just got back home and Kiara's flipping out. Aren't you flipping out? Oh. Hi. You want down? There you go. Adeline's playing in her exercise there. Watching some TV. Yeah. I wanted to show you guys what we got.
Alright. Groceries.
Groceries.
For the week.
We got Tim Hortons coffee and gross great value coffee that Zach likes.
Why do we do that anyway? Why do we do that?
Because it's cheap.
Well, Jordan will not drink anything but the Tim Hortons or McDonald's coffee, so I pick up the pace by drinking the shitty
You
stuff.
just hate yourself. I mean, that's the issue.
No.
So
It's better than the stuff at work, so I
then
actually
we
like
got banana baby crackers and apple and pumpkin rice crackers. We got her some pear, banana mango and yogurt, and apple strawberry and oats. Then we got pears, carrots, peas, strawberry dessert, butternut squash, bananas, apple mango, and green beans. Yummy!
it. Nothing but the best.
Then we got Zachary's frozen fruit for smoothies. Got peaches. We got him some yogurt. Is it strawberry yogurt? Strawberry
cheapest
yogurt.
kind they had.
Orange juice. Strawberry and banana frozen fruit. And then
We have this new stuff we're gonna try. It's quinoa brown rice. Looks like it could be good. It's new actually too. Some strawberry milk for Jordan. This is expires on her birthday, so it's perfect. Miracle Whip. Barbecue sauce for me. My chips for chips and salsa. I got a huge thing of salsa. Some cheese, probably make some nachos. Got some fat-free coffee creamer. Had to get this. I love chunky soup, beef. We don't have any of that. Yeah, some shavers, some flossing things, 2 loaves of bread, and last but not least, dog toys. Dogs actually ripped all of them apart, so we're going to cut them open right now, and we're going to call both the dogs in here and do a giveaway. Kiara, Spike, come here. Come on, Spike, Kiara. Look, you get this end. No, you get this end, and Kiara, you get this end. And take it, Kiara. Take it, Kiara. You guys can share.
oh,
Okay, here, Kiara. Kiara, look, Kiara. There's this one too. They're gonna share them eventually, obviously.
Yeah.
There's this. Oh, that's cool. It's gonna clean your teeth, apparently. Good job. Wagging your tail. Good job. And then this thing, I think we pretty much got for us. We'll just give it to Adeline, actually. It should be a cooler tool for her.
Let's show them what it does. Spike, that one's Kiki. She's gonna take all of her.
It's a noisy toy.
Kira's like, these toys suck. I like my soft
Yeah, your
slipper
soft
toy.
plush toys that
Yeah.
get ripped apart with Spike in seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
Spike's a friggin' menace.
But we're pretty much just gonna put these groceries away and head to bed.
Jesus.
You alright? You're good? You're good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna say goodnight now. Please like,
Sure.
comment,
And subscribe.
and we'll see you in our next video. Stay positive.